I am Becky. I live here in Seoul, South Korea. And you might recognize my face from the YouTube channel and the podcast, The Halfie Project, where we talk about the mixed race experience. And here in Korea, we talk to a lot of mixed race Koreans, adoptees, third culture kids. What does that mean and what does that look like and why is that important today? So that's maybe where you've seen me. I am not a professional beauty blogger. However, I really do love skincare and I also do believe in taking care of your skin. Is there Vitamin C Serum C-23? The 23 stands for the percentage of vitamin C that's actually inside this product. So vitamin C is supposed to make your skin a little bit brighter. You know, it's supposed to help with dark spot correction, brightening up your skin tone overall. And I didn't have too many high hopes, to be honest, but actually when I look at my before photo, before taking it, and I compare it to my face now, I'm quite surprised to see that I can actually see a change. So it was really a nice surprise, I think, and I will continue using this product and I hope that it will continue to keep helping me. So I'm gonna give you my honest review after using it for 1 week. Like I said, it has 23% of vitamin C actually in this, and they get their vitamin C from a company called DSM in England, and they have 99% purity. So their quality is quite high for this product, which was really great to learn. So my skin is very sensitive. I have very sensitive skin, so that's why I'm very cautious about what I use on it. So when I first used this product, actually it felt a little tingly, like a little bit of stinging kind of on my skin. So I thought I was doing something wrong, or I was worried I was having an allergic reaction, but it turns out that's pretty normal, especially for those who have sensitive skin types, that you'll have a little bit of stinging at first. So you need to get your skin accustomed to it because it's actually really potent. I mean, vitamin C is kind of a potent thing, and the acidity of it. So you have to get your skin to adjust to it. Well, I use this one, the Cica cream. See, and I just put a couple drops in it. I use that instead to put on my skin to help my skin get adjusted to the vitamin C. Over time, eventually you don't have to use a cream anymore as kind of a like a vehicle for the vitamin C. Okay, cute. So the vitamin C, like I said, because it's a bit potent, right? It's a little bit strong. So what you should do at first is to mix it with some other things. And so these are a couple options that you have. The clear pad, this is for cleansing off your skin. Just add a few drops of vitamin C. Kind of like this. You can use this cream, the Cica cream here. Maybe like 1-2 drops, pretty okay. But yeah, and just put on like regular cream. This one is the most interesting one to me, actually. This is Cica powder. And it has this like, how do you say that in English? It's like, has kind of like a calming effect. It's a little powder like this. I feel like I'm doing a science experiment. See, it just absorbs right like that. With the powder, you don't notice any residue at all. That's pretty cool. Another thing that I learned about vitamin C. So apparently our skin and every product that we use has a different pH level, and depending on the pH level, it can absorb more easily to your skin or it doesn't as well. And so you need to have a pH level of 3.5 to 4. That's like the perfect range. And this one's at 3.5. And so that's why it absorbs really well in your skin, and that's why it has more efficiency. And I'm pretty happy with the results. I think it's worked pretty well because vitamin C, I think, well, I've tried out other brands. I haven't used it actually on my face, but I've tried it out on my hand. And it's kind of, it always felt very thick, kind of like sticky, so I didn't really want to use it on my face, especially if I'm using makeup afterwards, or now it's summertime in Seoul and it's really, really hot. And so I was a little hesitant with this one, but I don't know if you can hear it. It's like water, pretty much like a water consistency. So even though you use it on your skin, it didn't feel sticky when I first used it. Just tap it in, tuk, 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 and it absorbed pretty well. So I didn't have any problems with that afterwards. And yeah, I was really happy with it, and it brightened up my skin, I want to say dramatically, and I'm gonna keep using it. Apparently you have to use this within like 2 months because it will break down when it's exposed to air, oxygen, or sunlight. That's why the bottle is this dark brown color. So that's kind of a telltale sign for vitamin C. So I'll keep using this for the next 2 months, but even after a week, I was pretty happy with the results. So maybe you guys should give it a try and see how it works for you.